This is Liz. I'm Sarah. This is our project of awesomeness and slightly grossness. Take it away, Liz.
These are pictures from when we were mixing our Play-Doh. That's when we were putting coloring on one. And those are the finished products.
Okay, this is our problem thing that I was snapped poster on, and it's what happens if we change the ingredients in a Play-Doh recipe.
We changed salt. The white one was salt, which we mixed orange. The brown one was coffee grounds, and the blue one was sprinkles.
Down there, and we'll smash it over again.
I just pointed.
And this was after we added food coloring to our salt one. So these two are the same thing. This is all our data, basically. This one was like, it looked like mashed potatoes, and this one smelled really bad. And that one smelled like a cookie, and then
tasted like a cookie.
We had Liz and Aaron taste it, and they thought it tasted like a cookie.
And the orange one tasted really salty.
Our hypothesis was if we replace the salt in a Play-Doh recipe, then we can still get moldable Play-Doh. Our analysis was that, that we can replace the salt in the recipe, and it'll get like a similar product. The texture will be a little bit different. Our conclusion was when we replaced the salt in the Play-Doh recipe, we still got a moldable dough. Therefore, we had a correct hypothesis. Liz? Continue on. If you want to go
Our limitations. We used the same pot for all the experiments, so the ingredients from the one before might have gotten mixed in. And also, the measuring cups were not completely 100% dried out, so some of it, like the flour and whatnot, stuck in it.
I blame Liz. Our resources was centers.about.com/od/p-startinvention/a/playdoh.htm
and instructable.com/id/how-to-make-Play-Doh.
/number step 1. That doesn't make sense. Okay, anyways. Should we tell them how to SieLizz-Doh? Okay, basically, what we did was our materials, we took 1/4 of the recipe because we didn't want a bunch of Play-Doh, which was good because it was really gross when you touched it. It was really gross. Shut up. Liz does not know what she's talking about today. So,
you don't know how to divide.
The original recipe was 2 cups of flour, 2 cups warm water, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, and a cup of salt. And procedure, we mixed all of the ingredients into a pot, and then we put it over low heat and stirred it up. And then it started to clump together into this weird looking dough, I guess that makes sense. And then we took it out and kneaded it until the texture was silky smooth.
Which it wasn't.
It wasn't exactly.
Because of the sprinkles and coffee.
The sprinkles and coffee were, they weren't very smooth, but the mashed potato looking one was. And then what we did was we had this big ball.
Upside down.
What's that? Apparently our picture's upside down. I don't see why it matters. But we just made a little indent, like a bowl inside, and then we put a bunch of food coloring in it and mixed it up until we got it all nice
Sunset
and
orange.
We went from that, which is kind of a deformed picture, to that. Oh. And yeah, so we had a very successful experiment. No thanks to Liz. Actually, she did a little bit.
I did.
So,
Lost.
pick that paper up. So yeah, that's our experiment. Pick it up.